Say goodbye to thigh and buttock cellulite fast. Struggling with stubborn cellulite on your thighs and buttocks? You're not alone. Nearly 90% of women experience cellulite at some point in their lives, regardless of weight or fitness level. This common yet frustrating condition affects confidence and comfort, leaving many feeling hopeless about their appearance. But the good news is, you can say goodbye to thigh and buttock cellulite fast. Cellulite forms due to a combination of enlarged fat cells, weakened connective tissue, fascia, and muscle atrophy, leading to the dimpled skin we dread. Factors like hormonal imbalances, weight fluctuations, and inactivity exacerbate this issue, particularly during major life changes like menopause. The pain isn't just physical, it's also deeply emotional, affecting how we see ourselves in the mirror and in public. Hello Health Facts family. In this guide, we'll explore proven strategies to say goodbye to thigh and buttock cellulite fast. Backed by science, these methods tackle the root causes of cellulite, helping you regain smooth, firm skin and renewed confidence. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the science behind it. Cellulite is a common concern, particularly on the thighs and buttocks, and it's time to demystify this issue. Beneath the surface of the skin lies a connective tissue layer called fascia, akin to a flexible saran wrap, which holds everything in place. Below this layer, there are fat cells and muscle. The formation of cellulite involves the interplay of these layers. Fat cells expand and fill with fat, stretching the fascia. When overstretched, the fascia starts to separate, allowing fat to push through and create the characteristic dimples. Compounding the issue, the muscles beneath may weaken or atrophy, further contributing to the sagging, uneven appearance. While the causes of cellulite can vary, factors such as hormonal changes, weight fluctuations, or periods of inactivity can accelerate its development. For instance, during menopause, hormone shifts combined with decreased activity can exacerbate these changes, making cellulite more pronounced. Although cellulite can be challenging, it's not insurmountable. A targeted approach addressing fat reduction, muscle strengthening, and fascia health can help significantly. Regular exercise, particularly high-intensity workouts focusing on thighs and buttocks, combined with proper rest, can stimulate muscle recovery and fascia repair. Intermittent fasting and reducing carb intake help manage insulin levels, aiding in fat cell reduction. While progress may take time, consistency and the right methods can yield lasting results. With patience and determination, you can effectively tackle cellulite and enhance your overall body confidence. 2. How cellulite develops. Cellulite results from various factors that weaken connective tissues beneath the skin. For instance, significant weight gain during pregnancy, followed by rapid weight loss, can overstretch fascia, the connective layer under the skin, leading to its separation in the formation of cellulite. Repeated cycles of weight fluctuation further exacerbate this issue, weakening the structure over time. In addition, hormonal changes, particularly during menopause, play a significant role in the development of cellulite. As estrogen levels decrease, blood flow to the skin and underlying tissues diminishes, reducing collagen production and allowing fat cells to enlarge. Coupled with a typically less active lifestyle during this period, the body's connective tissues lose their elasticity and strength, causing the dimpled appearance associated with cellulite. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for addressing the root causes and developing effective treatments to manage cellulite long-term. 3. Reducing fat cells, a key to addressing cellulite. The initial step in combating cellulite is to reduce the size of fat cells. While losing weight and shedding fat does not eliminate fat cells, it does shrink them. The crucial factor in controlling this process is managing insulin, the primary hormone responsible for fat storage. Lowering insulin levels is essential for tackling cellulite effectively. To achieve this, dietary adjustments are necessary. Reducing carbohydrate intake and incorporating intermittent fasting are proven methods to regulate insulin. These strategies help diminish fat accumulation, reducing the volume of fat cells. Additionally, as enlarged fat cells contribute to inflammation, particularly in the hips and thighs, shrinking these cells alleviates associated discomfort and soreness. Lowering insulin and adopting a healthier eating plan are fundamental steps in reducing the visible impact of cellulite. By addressing the hormonal mechanisms at play, individuals can promote fat reduction while minimizing inflammation. Through consistent application of these methods, improvements in the appearance and feel of the affected areas can be achieved over time. This structured approach forms the foundation for reversing the effects of cellulite, emphasizing the importance of targeting hormonal imbalances to bring about lasting results. 4. Fascia restoration and growth hormone stimulation. To combat cellulite effectively, it is crucial to address both fascia health and the role of growth hormone. Fascia, the connective tissue enveloping muscles and fat, is directly influenced by growth hormone, a key anti-aging regulator. This hormone not only supports hair, skin, and nails, but also strengthens fascia around the hips, buttocks, and underlying fat. Failing to promote growth hormone effectively often results in persistent cellulite, even with weight loss. The solution lies in enhancing overall liver health, which plays a significant role in hormone balance. Rather than resorting to external hormone supplements, the focus should be on naturally stimulating growth hormone through lifestyle changes. Regular physical activity is essential, targeting specific muscle groups such as the hips and thighs with high-intensity full-body exercises. However, equally critical is incorporating adequate rest and recovery to avoid overtraining. Sleep quality and duration directly influence both growth hormone levels and muscle repair, making restful nights indispensable. From a nutritional standpoint, consuming a balanced diet rich in high-quality protein sources like eggs and whole foods is vital. Avoid low-fat protein powders, as dietary fats are necessary to optimize hormonal function. For example, incorporating healthy fats into protein shakes can enhance their nutritional impact. 5. The importance of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting plays a crucial role in stimulating growth hormone. Consuming 5 to 6 meals or frequent snacks throughout the day prevents growth hormone activation, making fasting an effective strategy to naturally enhance hormone production and support overall health. 6. Cortisol and its impact on health. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, can severely weaken muscle tissue and disrupt the body's balance. Elevated cortisol levels due to chronic stress inhibit insulin regulation and suppress growth hormone production, making recovery and health optimization difficult. Addressing cortisol involves reducing stress, improving sleep quality, and supporting adrenal health, as these glands regulate cortisol levels. Vitamin D exposure, particularly from sunlight, is crucial in this process. Additionally, incorporating regular physical activity, such as walking, significantly lowers cortisol while promoting overall well-being. Managing cortisol is essential not only for reversing cellulite, but also for maintaining optimal hormonal and muscular health. 7. The importance of walking and rest. Incorporating rest days with walking is crucial. On days without high-intensity workouts, a simple walk helps reduce stress, supports recovery, and promotes overall well-being. Balancing activity with proper rest maximizes results and enhances the body's ability to heal and restore itself effectively. 8. Estrogen and its impact on cellulite. Estrogen plays a key role in cellulite development, explaining why women are more affected than men. This hormone encourages fat storage, particularly around the hips. To manage estrogen levels, focus on consuming cruciferous vegetables, as they help balance hormones naturally. Additionally, maintaining optimal liver health is crucial, as the liver metabolizes estrogen. By prioritizing these steps, you can reduce the effects of estrogen on fat accumulation and support overall hormonal balance. 9. Patience and persistence. Cellulite is a deeply rooted issue that develops over many years, often requiring significant time to reverse. Addressing this condition demands commitment, as it may take 1 to 3 years for the tissues to recover and improve. Expecting rapid results in just a week often leads to frustration and discouragement. For effective progress, a long-term mindset is essential, particularly for individuals in menopause. Rebuilding fascia, reducing fat cells, and enhancing muscle tone involve gradual processes. Visible improvements will appear over time, reinforcing the importance of perseverance. To stay motivated, take periodic before and after photos instead of relying on daily mirror checks, as gradual changes can be hard to notice. These comparisons will help track progress and maintain focus. By staying consistent with proven strategies and allowing time for the body to heal, meaningful results are achievable, ultimately leading to healthier, smoother skin. Cellulite is a challenge, but with the right knowledge and consistent effort, it's a battle you can win. Remember, your journey toward healthier, smoother skin isn't just about appearances. It's about embracing a lifestyle that enhances your overall well-being. Each step, whether it's reducing fat cells, rebuilding fascia, or strengthening muscles, brings you closer to your goal. Progress may feel slow at times, but patience and persistence will pay off. Think of this process as an investment in yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't let temporary setbacks discourage you. If you stay committed and focused, you'll achieve meaningful, lasting results. To help you track your progress, take before and after photos. These images will remind you of how far you've come and inspire you to keep going. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to Health Facts. Your subscription keeps us motivated to create more valuable content like this. Remember, say goodbye to thigh and buttock. Cellulite Fast is just the beginning of your transformation. Together, we can unlock your potential and help you feel confident and empowered every day. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance. Your journey starts here.